A consumer alert to tell you about this morning. The USDA is recalling nearly 16,000 pounds of frozen beef patties. The ready-to-eat products from Cincinnati-based Advanced Pierre Foods may contain plastic. Here's the label on the patties. They were not sold in retail stores, but distributed from an Iowa warehouse to institutions, including schools. A food service establishment complained it found soft green plastic in a patty, prompting the recall. The company, which is owned by Tyson Foods, says it has not received any reports of injuries or illness.